Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5. You know how I do here in Dubai. A little upset that I'm doing this video once again because the sound didn't record, but so I'm going to go through this really quickly and make sure you watch all the way to the end. Right, we've got some really good news. Bitcoin is going to be going to $1.5 million. I'm going to talk about that in today's episodes. Okay, so let's start off with the FUD for the day. Elon Musk, everywhere. They're trying to convince you not to buy Bitcoin, not to buy Ethereum. Stay away from the markets. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Look, Elon Musk, he's lost so much money. And yeah, they have it everywhere. It's Elon Musk has lost like lots of money nonstop, right? Because they don't want you to buy. Because if you're buying, they can't buy, and Bitcoin's going higher. We're going to be talking about that at the end of the show, showing you some charts, showing you why Bitcoin's going all the way to 1.5 million, and we're going to have some fun. Okay, so let's head over to the next point here. The Bitcoin holds steady as the Fed hikes interest rates again. Well, you know what? It was a non-event last night. Nothing really happened with the 25 basis points. It was pretty much expected, and yeah, so we were like, whatever. Okay. Cathie Woods, right? Oh man, you know what? I felt for this lady during the bear market, but I'll talk about that near the end. So Bitcoin could hit 1.5 million in just 7 years, according to the new report from Cathie Woods at ARK Investment. Ugh. Yes, I agree. It's definitely going to hit the 1.5 million in 7 years because we're going to be getting a lot of people coming into the crypto market. If you pull up the what's it called, the charts or the adoption curve, right? We talked about it in Carl's video. Make sure you check that out. The links will be in the description or at the end of this video, and you'll see the adoption curve. All right, so let's go and read what this says here. FTX customers still don't know if they're going to get their money back. Sam Bankman-Fried's criminal trial is ongoing, and the crypto winter of deflated coin values continue to drag on. Okay, so this is how Fortune does, right? This is Fortune magazine, right? And so they're part of the mainstream, and they have to make you feel that you cannot buy this crypto. You can't buy crypto. You can't buy Bitcoin. You can't buy any of this nonsense. Why? Why? Because their friends don't need to buy. So if you want to make a fortune, do the opposite of what they're trying to make you feel in these articles, and you'll make a fortune. From Fortune magazine. All right, let's continue on. Cathie Woods, ARK Investment and Management, the firm that has continued to buy crypto and shares of crypto companies even during the sector's historic downturn over the past year. ARK forecasted Bitcoin to bounce back from its current lows to eventually be worth 1.48 million. Okay, yeah, well, I don't know why she has these numbers like that, but whatever. By 2030, in the new report published this week, a bullish scenario that would see Bitcoin's value rise more than 6,300 in just 7 years. Yeah, that is a definite, actually. So this is why you want to pick some Bitcoin up and you hold it. You put it in a hodling portfolio because it's not going anywhere. Now, I remember all the memes that just really were kind of funny, but I'm sure she didn't think it was funny. Do you remember all these memes, guys? Oh man, she must have felt a little bad about it. But hey, hopefully she laughed at these memes because it was all over the internet. People were talking about it nonstop, especially on Twitter. Oh my goodness. The Twitter she must have suffered through it, but hopefully she laughed at it because it was very funny, honestly. But yeah, I'm sure there's a part of her that didn't find it very funny. But hey, she made it through the bear markets. She made it through the pounding, and so she'll be all right. You know? Oh damn! Yeah, that reminds me of another meme, right? It's like crypto is like, you know, um, everybody congratulates a woman who has a baby, right? But they don't realize how many times they got pounded. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. All right, Bitcoin bulls plan to flip the 23K to support by aiming to win in this week's 1 billion options expire. So there's going to be options expire this Friday, and so let's see how that plays out. I think it's going to be a very big pump tomorrow if this pump fails to continue through. We can see the Bitcoin, right? Let's zoom in on this right here. Boom, boom, boom. That Bitcoin wants to retake its 200-week moving average and usually never stays this long below it. So this is its target. But once it gets there, we can see a big explosion higher, and yeah, maybe retest of only just the 200 weekly moving average and not come back here. I'm surprised we didn't come back and refill this area and then take off. But hey, the market's going to do whatever the market wants to do, and that's that, right? You can do all your TA you want. The market will do whatever it wants to do. All right. So with that said, we can see that we have broken out of what's clearly, and we're holding this support. We cannot break this level here, if you ask me. As this thing rises, we cannot break. You can see we created a nice W. It's already hit the target, and boom. Where does it want to go now? I think we're gonna definitely close above this previous high here, which is the 270 dollars, 24K, $270, and so you'll see Bitcoin's going to break through that 25K sometime, if not this week, next. All right, make sure you guys join me in my private group by heading over to davincij15.com, or if you want, you can help out this channel by heading over to the referrals page and checking out the referrals and clicking here for any referrals items that you would think you want to own. If you want to be a part of Bitstamp is the longest running exchange. You can do so too and get $20 for that and so forth, and Treasure as well, and a whole bunch of other ledgers as well. So thank you for helping out by heading over to the referrals page. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum. You see, yesterday I said, hey, this Ethereum is going to break higher, and boom, once it did, it created a nice W, and boom, and off we went to the races. Now, odds are we're heading to the 2K level on Ethereum, right? I told you AB equals CD, boom. Now that's pretty much in the cards. 2K is where Ethereum is going to, and then after that, boom, 3,600. So if you don't have any Ethereum and you're not buying Ethereum, I don't know what's wrong with you. If you're not buying Bitcoin, I don't know what's wrong with you. You need to buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum right now because they are going up this year and doing extremely well. So you might as well own some. And you could sell it at some of the key technical parts, but make sure you always have a hodl position because both of them are going to be in the stratosphere of pricing or value because the dollar might disappear completely and you won't measure it in dollars. You'll just be like measuring in stuff you can buy. Oof. Think about that for a second. Thanks for watching. Cheers.